Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Healthy finger food for toddlers and easy meal options. There's no denying that when it comes to mealtime, especially healthy mealtime, toddlers can be a tough crowd. Whether they're picking through a salad for just the cheese or crying that two foods on their plate accidentally touched, getting your little one to eat a square meal can present a serious challenge. But you don't have to work some sort of ninja magic in the kitchen just to get your toddler to eat broccoli. If you're looking for meal ideas to please your junior gourmand, here are simple meals that are sure to please toddlers and even adults without making tons of work for you. Healthy breakfast meals. Number 1. French toast fruit skewers. Food is always more fun when served on a stick. Next time you whip up French toast for weekend brunch, make extra for this handheld breakfast later in the week. Grab a kid-friendly skewer, such as a drinking straw, and thread with sliced French toast and fruit pieces. If time permits, let your toddler DIY. A bit of independence goes a long way toward helping little ones eat well. Number 2. Egg muffins. Your muffin tin isn't just for muffins. It's also the perfect vehicle for toddler-friendly mini frittatas. For 10 egg muffins, whisk together 8 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, and your choice of cut-up veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, or tomatoes. Number 3. Banana sushi. Nope, we're not talking about raw fish for breakfast. Instead, replicate the look of sushi by smearing banana slices in nut butter, rolling them in crushed cereal, then lining the pieces up in a roll. You can even let your child try their hand at eating breakfast with chopsticks. Number 4. PB&J waffles. If PB&J works for lunch, why not try it for breakfast? Healthify this classic combo by choosing a lower sugar jelly, or make your own no sugar added fruit compote from frozen berries, and serving on whole wheat or multigrain toaster waffles. Healthy lunch meals. Number 1. Veggie pizza. Working healthy foods into familiar, well-liked dishes is a tactical move for every toddler parent, and what kid doesn't like pizza? Start with an English muffin or mini naan and add marinara, shredded veggies, and mozzarella. Number 2. Chickpea salad wraps. While a wrap of mashed chickpeas, mayo, and fresh dill may not be on traditional kids' menus, its texture is reminiscent of tuna, without the strong flavor. Your kiddo just may wolf down this lunch rich in fiber, protein, folate, and iron. Number 3. Tomato soup with toast dippers. As soups go, tomato is one of the quickest to whip up from scratch and fill with extra veggies. But for the sake of time, you can always choose a lower sodium prepared kind. Either way, your kiddo will get loads of lycopene, the powerful antioxidant in tomatoes. Pair with whole wheat toast sliced into dippers for your little one's dipping pleasure. Number 4. Veggie mac and cheese. Plenty of recipes have you go through the rigmarole of concealing butternut squash or other veggies in mac and cheese, but bright pops of color from carrots or peas actually can create visual appeal for kids. Grab a bag of frozen veggies and stir them into a finished mac and cheese while still on the stovetop. Healthy dinner meals. Number 1. Veggie fried rice. If you've got cooked rice on hand, you're well on your way to an easy toddler-friendly dinner. Fried rice is endlessly customizable for adding vegetables and protein to your child's diet. In a skillet or wok, cook prepared rice with frozen mixed vegetables. Crack in an egg or two and scramble, then dress lightly with soy sauce and sesame oil. Number 2. Sausage, apple, and zucchini skewers. Remember what we said about food on a stick? This fun serving method bears repeating at dinner time. Thread slices of kielbasa, apple, and zucchini on bamboo skewers, brush with honey mustard dressing, and broil until lightly browned. Number 3. Taco bar. Everyone likes assembling their own perfect dinner, from a spread of options, especially young kids. Taco Tuesday can be a family affair when you let toddlers build their own Mexican meal. Just be sure to provide healthy toppings like diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, beans, and avocado. Number 4. Baked potato bar. Potatoes sometimes get a bad rap, but they're actually a great trusted source of potassium, fiber, and magnesium. Bake a few and let them cool before letting your kiddo top theirs with cooked broccoli, cheddar, and avocado. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.